Alright, so what is up, YouTube? Today I'm here with another video for the Grand Prix, and this is the key gets stuck in the ignition. So if you see here, the key was in the on position and now it won't come out. If I open the door, it's not going to let me lock it or anything. So if you look underneath the steering wheel right here, you just kind of have to feel for it with your hand. But there is a little hole. You just need to take something such as this, just a little screw. You're just gonna stick it until it goes in. Push up. You'll hear like a little pop, and then the key will come out. Sometimes there'll be a little cap under here, but you can just pop it right off with your finger. And that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.